Hey guys, welcome to the next video on Great Circles, otherwise known as Geometry of the Earth. Beijing, China and Perth, Australia have coordinates 40 degrees north, 116 degrees east, and 32 degrees south, 116 degrees east, respectively. And guys, just in case you weren't sure, respectively means that Beijing, China has this one, and in the same order that they were spoken, Perth has the second one. Okay, importantly, we need to look this and this, they're the same thing. Now it's either a typo or it's actually important. Let's see. Question A. What great circle joins Beijing and Perth? Alright, so the first thing you want to do with a question, with any question dealing with great circles, is to draw a sphere. Now it doesn't look like a sphere yet. Let me just keep drawing. So I'm going to draw this meridian, and I'll tell you what it is. It's 116 degrees east. Okay, so any meridian is a great circle. Remember, a meridian is in Latin, I'm pretty sure it means midday, meaning that all places that share the same meridian have the same midday. Okay, so what great circle joins Beijing and Perth? The answer is the meridian, otherwise known as the longitude, 116 degrees east. Okay, so question B. What is the angular distance between these two cities? Okay, so the angular distance between these two cities, because Beijing, we'll just start with Beijing, is north of the equator. In fact, it's 40 degrees north, and Perth is on the other side of the equator, down south, 32 degrees south. The distance between them, remembering that the equator has 0 degrees, the answer for question B would be the addition of those two, which is equal to 72. Alright, so question C. Alright, we're almost home. Hence, calculate the shortest distance between Beijing and Perth to the nearest kilometre, given the Earth's radius is 6,400 kilometres. Alright guys, now here's the thing. From Perth, down here, to Beijing, the shortest distance is along this great circle. Because although it looks like a circle, it's actually, well, you'd consider it to be a straight line. The shortest distance technically would be is if you were to dig beneath Beijing, going straight down, digging up through the crust out to Perth. But that's not really possible. So it is actually the sector here. No, sorry, not sector, the arc there. Alright, remember from last video what we had to do? The distance or circumference around part of a circle. So we're not dealing with a whole circle here, we're dealing with part of a circle, which would be the angle over 360 times by 2 pi r. And that angle in this case would be 72 degrees over 360 times by 2 times by pi times by 6,400, because that's the radius. Okay guys, so get out your calculators, give it to the nearest kilometre.